Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal variety, beautiful zari warp design. Golden zari is the warp here, Silpas tested golden zari, and we have a very beautiful floral design all over, woven using the pink threads. Meena work is also done for finishing the buttas. A very beautiful all self design, and we have a small 3-inch border at the top in the blue base and 12-inch border at the bottom. Very big Kanjivaram type border, and we have a pallu which is a tissue based pallu. Blue and golden threads is used all over to get a beautiful rich pallu dress. Same way the blouse piece is tissue with blue color base, and we have the borders in the blouse piece also, which will make a beautiful sleeve with a zari border. Excellent saree with beautiful work. Blue base concept itself is very pretty with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft bridal silk saree, a premium silk for the bridals. Wedding season, we have a very elegant combination colors with golden zari warp. The warp itself is here zari, Silpas tested zari, and all over the floral pattern is woven. This is a woven design, not printed. Fully woven, beautiful design with Meena work on the green base. And we have a beautiful border. Top border is a short 2-inch border, and bottom is a 12-inch border. The 12-inch border makes it very rich for your grand occasions, and we have a pallu that is a tissue type, golden zari and green mixed pallu with very elegant design all over the pallu, mangoes and traditional peacocks design, and the blouse piece of the saree is also here in tissue woven design with the pallu same border running in the blouse piece also, which can be used for the sleeves of the blouse piece. A very beautiful blouse piece. We will get excellent saree for the bridals, elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection, wedding season 1, very beautiful zari warp, hand woven beautiful finished sarees in golden zari warp here, and here we have a pastel pallu, light green color, very elegant light sea green color pallu with beautiful woven grand pallu here, and the blouse piece is also in the same color with embossed design, a small mango design all over the blouse piece with the big borders which can be used for the sleeves. Almost elbow sleeve we will get for the blouse piece. The simple stitching will give a beautiful blouse piece. The saree here is in very elegant and attractive color, goldish yellow color, lemon yellow mixed with the golden zari warp, which gives a beautiful color. And we have all over floral design, woven design. It's a woven design, it's not a print. Completely 3D pattern weaving all self, and we have beautiful jacquard weaving border on the base of sea blue color. In the top 4 inches one, and bottom it is a 10-inch border. The border is very elegant Kanjivaram border. Beautiful Kanjivaram hand woven collection with zari warp, all self weaving for the wedding, and we have saree coming with the authentic silk mark certificate. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very premium and most demanded, very elegant trendy collection. In silver zari, the warp is given. Here we have a beautiful gold and silver in the pallu, very grand pallu with borders running in the pallu also. Beautiful work on green base, and we have same color, the green color with the zari pattern in the blouse piece also. Both side borders, 10-inch border and a 4-inch border at the top, which can be used for the sleeves. The saree here is in very elegant red and zari mixed color. It gives a light pastel red shade with all over weaving design, which is a floral design. Beautiful florals done using Meena work that is in red and green in the zari, and we have a beautiful border, 10-inch big border in the bottom with the contemporary design, the peacocks and the animals pattern in the border, and we have one side with the 4-inch border. Excellent saree, very rich collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, zari warp, beautiful glittery saree for your festive occasions and marriage ceremonies. A very beautiful golden zari warp saree here with green base, very elegant all over floral design, beautifully woven using both green as well as the base warp golden color, and we have a small 3-inch border at the top on the base of green and a very big 12-inch border at the bottom. Very beautiful design, and we have a very different tissue pallu. The pallu also have golden zari weaving design, traditional Kanjivaram rich pallu with the borders, and we have blouse piece which is also in the same tissue color. Zari and green colors are given and we have both side borders which can be used for the sleeves. A very beautiful saree, rich and almost golden with green base, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram bridal collection, a very elegant silk saree, premium most one for your wedding occasions. Copper zari, zari warp is used. Here we have silver zari with yellow color base. Copper zari is also used for the florals. Along with Meena work, very beautiful floral work, completely woven. It is not a print, it is woven design. The base is yellow and we have borders also in yellow. And here the pallu part is completely on the base of silver and yellow with embossed pattern, and we also have beautiful copper zari weaving work. Elegant pallu, very rich with 12-inch lower border and upper border is 6-inch. Beautiful blouse piece, embossed concept blouse piece on tissue base. Both silver zari and yellow threads are used here. Excellent saree, beautiful one on the base of yellow, very elegant with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram premium silk saree, bridal collection. Very beautiful combination here, red and green. The body of the saree is having beautiful floral weaving all over, done using Meena work and the contrast green color which is given in the pallu and blouse piece. Border also have the same green with 12-inch lower border and 4-inch upper border. Beautiful zari weaving, a tissue blouse piece, and we have beautiful borders in the blouse piece also. The pallu is also here a very different tissue design, tissue with fully golden zari weaving. Excellent one, grand and beautiful saree here for the bridal occasions, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very elegant zari war bridal silk with all over floral design hand woven, and we have Meena work also. Here we have a violet and silver zari mixed woven sarees, very elegant body with pink pallu and blouse piece, and we also have the borders in the pink base, very elegant big borders in the bottom. We have beautiful Kanjivaram border with a tissue woven blouse piece. The blouse piece have the border which can be used for the sleeves, almost an elbow sleeve we can make from this saree. And we have a golden zari weaving work in the pallu, very elegant rich pallu, all over woven, beautiful design with the borders running in the blouse piece as well. The combination as well as the saree is very pretty, different color combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram bridal collection, a very beautiful festive party wear saree, traditional Kanjivaram in zari warp. You can see the copper zari. Copper zari is the warp here with yellow used as a waft. Very beautiful copper base with beautiful yellow color given for the body. Floral and mild checked pattern inside, and we have beautiful yellow borders. Top border is a 4-inch border and we have a 10-inch border at the bottom. Fully Kanjivaram based collection, woven as well as the design is Kanjivaram type. With the pallu, which is very elegant yellow base. Yellow and copper zari mixed to get a beautiful rich pallu. Very beautiful interlock weaving technique, and we have same tissue oriented blouse piece. The blouse piece is yellow plus copper with border design given on both sides. Elegant saree, very glittery blue, beautiful party wear for your functions, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a premium quality bridal silk with warp as zari. Here copper zari is the warp with pink color threads, and Meena work is done using gold. Very beautiful concept, very elegant woven design all over the saree, all self weaving, and we have a small border, a 3-inch border at the top and beautiful 12-inch border at the bottom. The pallu of the saree is a tissue woven one with copper zari, and we have golden zari work all over. Traditional border with mangoes and the peacocks in the pallu, and the blouse piece is in tissue pink color. We also have the borders in the blouse piece which can be used for the sleeves. A very elegant bridal saree for your festive occasions, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very elegant all self design, the premium Kanjivaram weaving, traditional as well as a beautiful saree for your festive occasions. Here we have a copper zari weaving on deep goldish yellow color, a mango yellow with gold tinge, which is very elegant, and we have the copper zari weaving which is also very beautiful. Buttas as well as all over self weaving. The borders of the saree is done using a violetish blue color. Same color is given for the pallu also. Heavy pallu with copper zari weaving work. A kanji pattu, beautiful saree with border in the pallu coming in. Same way the pallu color blouse piece is given with copper zari borders in both sides. The border is a short border here, 6-inch border in both sides. The combination as well as the saree's design is very perfect for your festive occasions, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram premium silk saree, a bridal collection in a very exclusive design. Here we have an exclusive combination of color too. A beautiful saree in a light peach and pink mixed shade. It's a light of onion peel color, very elegant color with both silver and copper zari in the butta work. Mostly silver with meena work. You can see blue threads are also given for the meena work, distinguished between the buttas, and we also have copper zari woven design here and there like butta is being woven. Very excellent design with the blue border. The top border is a 4-inch jacquard weaving border using golden zari, and the lower border is a 12-inch border. Big border, rich collection it is. Very elegant combination. A rare collection. Grab yours fast. Very fast moving collection too. With the pallu that is also in deep navy blue color. Mild pinch of violet in the shade, and we have same color blouse piece. Beautiful one. The blouse piece also have the big borders which you can use for the sleeves of the blouse piece. Very elegant one. Excellent combination, and comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree. A very beautiful premium Kanjivaram with all over zari and silk weaving. Here we have a golden zari base with blue color combination. Whole weaving design. It's a floral plus a leaf body pattern weaving, wigs and florals. Very elegant weaving all over. It's a raw silk design, and we have top bottom border done on the base of blue. Beautiful Ananda blue color. Jacquard weaving using golden zari, and it's a 4-inch border at the top and 10-inch border at the bottom. Beautiful Kanjivaram borders they are. And we have same zari and silk mixed pallu. The pallu have very rich weaving with beautiful design, diagonal pattern with the borders running in the pallu as well as in the blouse piece. The blouse piece is an imposed pattern with zari and silk base. And we also have the borders in both sides which we can use for the sleeves of the blouse piece. Excellent saree with golden and blue base, and comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection with very beautiful color combinations. Here we have a most demanded mild sandal mix cream color, half white. Beautiful work all over, all silk weaving it is, done using gold as well as silver zari. Very beautiful collection, excellently woven one. It looks like a 3D weaving, very elegant hand woven saree with a red borders in both sides. Jacquard weaving in the borders. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. Both in a very beautiful Kanjivaram border, peacock and mango pattern. Excellent saree with the combination of beautiful bright red. The pallu of the saree is also the bright red with beautiful golden zari weaving. Rich and very enhancing pallu, and we have same pallu color blouse piece. Blouse piece is plain with both sides border which you can use for the sleeve work of the blouse piece. Very elegant one, excellent combination. The classy one too with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a very beautiful bridal collection. Heavy premium Kanjivaram silk. Here we have a copper zari as base with silver combination. Very elegant golden color in copper mix saree with beautiful all self weaving. You can see the finish of the saree, finely hand woven, beautiful all self weaving. And here we have a very different pattern. Baby pink color is the border design, and border have beautiful silver zari weaving. Saree in copper and the borders are in silver. Really elegant. The top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 10 inches. The same way the light baby pink and the silver zari is combinedly given in the pallu. The pallu have very elegant work, beautiful weaving, rich pallu with same color blouse piece. The blouse piece is an embossed pattern, beautiful zari and thread mixed weaving pattern, and we have the borders in the blouse piece. The borders can be used for the sleeves of the blouse piece. Excellent collection, beautiful one for the Indian brides, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, bridal collection. Very beautiful, fast moving, premium bridal silk. Heavy and very elegant one in green shade. You can see a beautiful silver and copper zari woven design in the body. Mostly silver, and copper is done like a butta here and there. Very elegant design with the borders which is very pretty, jacquard weaving on the base of deep violet. Top border is a 4-inch border, the bottom border is a 12-inch border. Beautiful one, very elegant Kanjivaram. Unique design with a contrast pallu. The pallu here is deep violet with beautiful design all over the pallu. So zari woven using the copper zari, and we have same color blouse piece. Beautiful violet blouse piece, and it is having the borders which we can use for the sleeves. Excellent saree, very elegant Kanjivaram with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a very beautiful bridal collection, premium, rich, and a very exclusive collection. A beautiful design. Here we have a golden saree, gold and orange mix. Red is also given on the base. Very beautiful, glossy, attractive color. With all self weaving, you can see a beautiful floral and mango pattern woven in the saree. And we have a very elegant red borders. The top border here is a 4-inch border with jacquard weaving in golden zari, and we have a dazzling big border at the bottom. It is a 10-inch border with beautiful border design. It's really a glossy and beautiful finished saree for the best functions. And the pallu of the saree here is also in the gold and red mix with beautiful diagonally weaving pattern. Blouse piece here is also with the embossed weaving. Zari and red threads are mixed to weave the beautiful blouse piece with borders. Borders can be used for the sleeves of the blouse piece. Very elegant collection, beautiful golden saree with the tinge of red, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a very beautiful bridal silk, premium wedding collection, completely hand woven beautiful saree with a peacock neck color, blue and green mixed color body, and you can see the beautiful peacocks. The peacocks are covered by the very elegant Meena work in the opposite blue color threads. Fine work, fully hand woven with mild color zari. Zari here is used in copper and gold mixed color. The pallu of the saree, the borders are also in contrast. The border have jacquard weaving, 4-inch border at the top, and bottom we have 8-inch border, and it is a very beautiful Kanjivaram design on the base of deep purple color, pinkish purple. The same pinkish purple is the pallu. Pallu is also heavily worked, and we have a plain blouse piece with the borders running in the blouse piece in purple base color. Beautiful combination, an excellent saree, a bridal. It is a premium one too, and it comes with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection, all self weaving with very beautiful copper zari work. An excellent saree with all over copper zari weaving on the base of deep magenta pink color. A violetish pink it is, purple and magenta mixed shade. All over floral and Kanjivaram butta type. Beautiful border also, which is done in copper zari. You can see the dazzling copper zari on a violet and blue mixed color border. Beautiful color, heavyweight premium bridal silk saree with a pallu which is also in the bluish purple, the violet and purple mixed color, and we have very elegant same color blouse piece. Both the blouse piece as well as the pallu have borders which is done using copper. The whole pallu is done using a copper zari, which is pure copper. Excellent saree. The combination of the saree as well as the work is pretty as well as traditional, which comes with authentic silk mark.